In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Multilingual on Wix Studio. Welcome, and let's dive right in. First, you want to make your way over to Wix Studio. This is where the magic begins. Once you're there, find and click on Edit Site. This option opens the door to customizing your website and making it more accessible to a global audience. Now, direct your attention to the top toolbar. You'll notice an option labeled Tools up there. Go ahead and click on it. This toolset is designed to help you manage and enhance your site's features with ease. Once you're in the Tools menu, look for and select Multilingual. This feature is key to enabling multiple languages on your website, allowing visitors from different parts of the world to engage with your content in their preferred language. Now, it's time to set up your main and secondary languages. The main language is what your website is originally written in. Here, you can add additional languages that cater to your audience's needs. After selecting your languages, click Next. This simple action will guide you to the next step in the process. Following this, you'll want to review and edit translations. This is a crucial step because it ensures that your translated content is accurate and conveys your message clearly. Spend some time here checking for any nuances or cultural differences that might require adjustments in wording. Next, you'll enhance user experience by adding a language switcher. Start by clicking the header of your site, where you'll be able to place this important tool. It enables visitors to switch between languages seamlessly. Click the plus sign and search for Multilingual. Once found, click Add to Site. This action integrates the language switcher into your site, making it easily accessible to users. You'll then be faced with some style choices. Choose a style that fits naturally with your website's design and place the language switcher in your header. This location is optimal because it's one of the first things visitors see, ensuring they know multiple language options are available. Before going live, click Preview to see how everything looks and feels. This is your chance to ensure that all elements are functioning correctly and that your translations are displaying as intended. When you're satisfied with everything, it's time to click Publish. This final step makes your multilingual site available to the world. And there you have it, a fully functional multilingual site on Wix Studio within just a few minutes. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you reach a wider audience with your newly multilingual website.